हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम सीखेंगे कुछ क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? आई एम डूइंग माय वर्क। व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? आई एम डूइंग माय वर्क। वेयर आर यू नाउ? आई एम एट द ऑफिस। वेयर आर यू नाउ? आई एम एट द ऑफिस। आर यू फ्री नाउ? यस, आई एम फ्री नाउ। Are you free now? Yes, I am free now. Can I join you? Yes, you can join me. Can I join you? Yes, you can join me. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. Did you sleep well? Yes, I slept well. What do you want? I want some water. What do you want? I want some water. Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming with you. Are you coming with me? Yes, I am coming with you. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand you. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand you. Why are you here? I am here for work. Why are you here? I am here for work. Can you do this? Yes, I can do it. Can you do this? Yes, I can do it. Are you busy today? No, I am not busy. Are you busy today? No, I am not busy. What happened to you? Nothing happened to me. What happened to you? Nothing happened to me. Did you call me? Yes, I call you. Did you call me? Yes, I called you. Where do you work? I work in a company. Where do you work? I work in a company. Are you ready now? Yes, I am ready now. Are you ready now? Yes, I am ready now. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माई वीडियो टिल द एंड। ऐसे ही नए वीडियो देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल स्टडी सेंटर डीएमएम को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें और बेल आइकन बटन जरूर से दबाएं जिससे आने वाले वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। धन्यवाद।